Thank you for watching this video introducing Inludus' white label trade show and conference mobile application. Once the user downloads the application, he's presented with a sponsorship page that can be displayed as a single sponsor or multiple sponsors several times throughout the use of the application. After viewing the sponsorship page, the user is brought to the sign-up page. If the user has pre-registered, he can put his badge number and the rest of the information will be automatically pre-filled. The user can then click on Instant Message. In Instant Message, he can create a username and password to communicate with other attendees, exhibitors, and speakers at the event. The user can also sign up for Facebook. The user can also sign up for Twitter and LinkedIn. The user determines his communication settings and finishes the sign-up process. The user is rewarded with his first points, rewarding him for his behavior. The user is rewarded points and badges throughout the entire event to gain points towards prizes. Reward points can be customized by the event organizer to encourage certain behavior. The participants, exhibitors, and users with the most points win prizes. Dashboard. Your dashboard is your way of maneuvering around the various features offered in this application. In addition, you can change the view by clicking on Carousel. You can change the profile by clicking on Profile. You can also watch your points and badges at the bottom. Sessions. Sessions are listed by date and time, but you have the ability to search by date, name, start, or keyword. Each session has the name, location, and session number. You can initiate a dialogue by clicking on Instant Message. You can locate them on a map to see where the session is, or you can add the session to your calendar. You can click on each session to get more details. Each session detail is rich with information and options on how to interact with the content. You can download the speaker's brochure, watch the speaker's movie clip, answer polling questions. By the way, you can earn points for doing that. You can rate the speaker, also earning points for doing that, and follow the speaker on Twitter, and much more. Calendar. In the agenda page, you see the sessions you've signed up to attend, as well as meetings you've made with other attendees or exhibitors. You can click on the time to add a meeting, or you can click on the event to edit the event. You can also click on the X to delete the event. Exhibitors. Exhibitors are listed by name and booth number, but you have the ability to search by name, start, or keyword. You can initiate dialogue by instant messaging the exhibitor, or you can locate them on a map to see where the exhibit is located. Or you can add the exhibit to your calendar. You can click on each exhibitor to get more detail. Each exhibitor page is rich with information and options on how to interact with the content. You will have the ability to download the exhibitor's brochure, watch the company movie clip, bump information, by the way, earning you points when you do so, rate the exhibit, also earning you points towards prizes, follow the speaker on Twitter, and much more. Maps. In Maps, you're able to see a pictorial list of the different floor plans at the event. When you click on one map, you are brought to that floor plan's specific map. Gaming. We believe that our gaming feature sets us apart from our competitors. Here you'll be able to read the game rules, see the list of prizes, and go to the scoreboard. This allows you to check and see how you are doing towards earning prizes. Check your score versus other top contenders, see what is trending and hot by seeing exhibitor scores, and see what speakers other attendees like most to determine what sessions you will go to next. Rating. Enter the session or exhibitor number, give them yours so they can add notes, rate them 1 to 10, and leave them a comment. This can be done anonymously if desired, and you earn points for doing so. Instant messaging. Here you are able to communicate with attendees and exhibitors that have signed up for the service at the event. Social media. Check us out on social media, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, or go to your Instant Messaging, Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn account. Scoreboard we already talked about. My stuff. This is where all of your ratings and downloaded information is stored for viewing later. You can search by name or rating in case you want to go back to see some of your top rated exhibitors. You can bump your contact information, or you can share this application with a friend. Polling. Either from within the session detail page or from the polling icon, each speaker can poll the audience, making the session more interactive while providing the speaker with real-time insight. Water cooler. Follow a Twitter thread on the event and add your comments. Search to see what others are saying about specific items of interest. Help. Drop your questions at our website or see frequently asked questions. Users can also click on information to see hotels, restaurants, and other points of interest. Exit. Once the user is ready to leave the event, they click on Exit. Rate the event and leave comments. Rate the application and leave comments, anonymously if they desire. They select how they would like to keep their data, in the app, the phone, or on a database they can access later. Once they hit Submit, they are given more points, told they will be emailed information on how to access the data, and asked to confirm they want to exit the event. That concludes the Inludus Trade Show and mobile application presentation. We hope to serve you in the near future.